Welcome to Wizer, where we use AI to transform your decision making, but not in the way you think. The world has gone mad with AI-assisted decision making. We're not here to get AI to tell you an answer. Instead, we're using AI to connect you with the right people for each decision. Our AI does not replace human judgment, it enhances it. By analysing factors like expertise, diversity, and thought processes, Wizer ensures your decision-making panels are both powerful and balanced. Imagine you're facing a complex decision. Our AI quickly identifies and assembles a wise panel. That's the perfect mix of people who bring exactly what you need to the table. This isn't about having the most people, but the right people. With Wizer, you'll see real-time suggestions for who should join the decision, ensuring every choice is backed by the best collective wisdom your organisation has to offer. The system can also suggest external voices to improve your panel. Our AI provides ongoing insights into the strength of your panel. Wizer is about helping you unearth talent in your organisation and also helps you understand your decision-making strengths and weaknesses. Take advantage of Wizer's AI to unlock the full potential of your organisation's collective intelligence. Visit us online at wizer.business to see how our AI can enhance your decision-making strategy today. Let's make every decision count and create an inclusive decision-making environment.